Now we have a function fx equals to x to the power 1 by 3 in closed interval minus 1 comma 1, right? We have to prove that Lagrange's mean value theorem, it is applicable on this or not. Okay, now let us define f dash of x is equals to 1 over 3 x to the power 1 by 3, right? This is the derivative of this function which does not exist finitely at x equals to 0 is in closed interval minus 1 comma 1, because we have a, if we have a derivative, then it is also exist in finitely in this closed interval, but it is not existed finitely, so it is not differentiable in closed interval. If it is not it is not differentiable at closed interval, then Lagrange's mean value theorem is not applicable. However, f1 minus when we put f, what is the definition of this fb minus fa? This is the definition, this is the theorem fb minus fa upon b minus a, which is equals to f dash of c, right? So and what is b? B is 1 and a is minus 1, then f of 1 minus f of minus 1, 1 minus minus 1, which is equals to f dash of c, right? What is the value of f of 1? F of 1 is x to the power 1 by 3, then it is 1. F of minus 1, it is also minus 1, and 1 minus minus 1 is equals to 2, then it becomes 2 and it is also 2, then it is cancel out, so it becomes 1 by 3, it becomes 1 by 3, right? So 1 over c की power 1 over c की power 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So c is equals to 1 by 3 की whole power 3 by 2. That is in minus 1 comma 1. Hence the hypothesis of the Lagrange's mean value theorem, this is in minus 1 comma 1. The hypothesis of the Lagrange's mean value theorem is not valid, but conclusion is valid. It means that the conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem are sufficient but not necessary. What is the means that the conditions, which conditions gives that differentiability is applicable, when it is differentiable then it is applicable, and this and this, so it is not valid. If Lagrange's mean value theorem is sufficient, conditions are sufficient but not as necessary condition, because we have c.